Okay, we're out at Strathablyn Airfield, lined up on runway 35. Winds forecast to come in pretty hot and strong northerly today. Cat's at the controls, and we're in the M24 Plus. M24 Plus is powered by a Rotax 915, so it's 141 horsepower. Sticks back, pre-rotating, and we're up to 200 rotor revs. So we release the pre-rotator and we're rolling. Front wheels off, backs are off, picking up speed. We're up to our 60 knots, and now we'll ease the stick back and start to climb, trimming for around about 55 during the climb. And yes, the wind is strong up here. Hope everybody's having a good time.
I am.
Okay, we're up at 1,000 feet or 1,100 feet at the moment, 55 knots airspeed and ground speed of 24 knots. So as suspected, the wind's pretty strong up here. Smooth enough though. Okay, we're on our downwind leg for runway 35. Tooting along with a tailwind at the moment.
Strathablyn traffic, Gyro 1384, turning base runway 35, touch and go, Strathablyn.
So we're on our final approach onto 35, quite a strong gradient today as well, so we've off the throttle down to about 60 knots, so the nose is down, we've got good speed, good control, holding that speed until close to the ground, and then we're just flying along the ground, wheezing out that last bit of energy, back to touch, keep the nose up, and we're down.
And we're up.
And we're going again. Sticks back, onto the throttle, rotor's building, nose wheel is off, backs are off, speed's up, and we're climbing. And just about to turn final for runway 35 for another touch and go. And we're over the fence.